Welcome to our GK Quizzes channel. Here you are going to test 25 general knowledge questions, Biology Science Edition. Let's go! What is the powerhouse of the cell? Ribosome, mitochondria, or nucleus? The correct is mitochondria. Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Liver, brain, or heart? The correct is heart. What is the basic unit of life? Cell, atom, or molecule? The correct is cell. Which blood cells fight infections? Red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets? The correct is white blood cells. What type of blood do arteries usually carry? Oxygenated, deoxygenated, or both? The correct is oxygenated. How many chambers are in the human heart? 4, 2, or 3? The correct is 4. What is the main component of plant cell walls? Cellulose, protein, or lipid? The correct is cellulose. Which gas do plants absorb for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, or nitrogen? The correct is carbon dioxide. What is the process by which cells divide? Mitosis, photosynthesis, or respiration? The correct is mitosis. What pigment gives plants their green color? Hemoglobin, chlorophyll, or melanin? The correct is chlorophyll. Which part of the brain controls breathing? Medulla, cerebrum, or cerebellum? The correct is medulla. Which vitamin is produced by the skin in sunlight? Vitamin D, vitamin C, or vitamin A? The correct is vitamin D. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin, liver, or lungs? The correct is skin. Which part of the plant absorbs water? Stem, leaf, or root? The correct is root. What type of animal is a frog? Mammal, amphibian, or reptile? The correct is amphibian. Which part of the flower produces pollen? Petal, stamen, or pistil? The correct is stamen. Which organ filters blood in the human body? Kidney, lungs, or heart? The correct is kidney. What do herbivores eat? Plants, meat, or both? The correct is plants. What is the primary function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen, fight infections, or produce hormones? The correct is carry oxygen. What is the largest bone in the human body? Skull, femur, or tibia? The correct is femur. Which biomolecule is the main source of energy? Protein, fat, or carbohydrate? The correct is carbohydrate. What do carnivores primarily eat? Plants, meat, or both? The correct is meat. How many bones are in the adult human body? 207, 206, or 210? The correct is 206. What part of the brain controls memory? Hippocampus, hypothalamus, or thalamus? The correct is hippocampus. What is the term for animals that can live both on land and in water? Birds, amphibians, or reptiles? The correct is amphibians. How many points did you get? Let us know in the comments below. How good is your general knowledge? Take this quiz to find out. Goodbye for now.